Your boy Handy Gus back with a video. I've got no good cooling right here down at the bottom of the fridge. I turn on the compressor, turn on the machine, plugged in the refrigerator. I hear the compressor and the fan running down in the condenser area. Now I removed the ice maker here. Now remove the panel because the fan that gives you circulation is up here, right behind this panel. So I just had to remove it. In this particular refrigerator, 2 screws. Took 2 screw out of here. 2 screws holding this ice cube maker. I'm able to pull it out. Now for you to test, you're gonna have to have a little electrical knowledge. So the way you verify is when you remove this panel, this is your fan here. See it? Alright, now when I lower the thermostat in the bottom, right in here, when I turn it on to the recommended setting or wherever you want to put it at, that's when the compressor turns on. But when I pull this cover back, I noticed the fan wasn't running. Now another method you could use is test to make sure you got electricity coming in. See, I just used one of these here. See, right now you don't get a beep because the thermostat is off. I have it off in the bottom, but see, once you turn it on, so you hear the compressor coming on. Now you could take something like a quick tester like this. See, I got power. That goes to tell me that my motor to the evaporator fan, that's the evaporator back here. That goes to tell me that this motor is bad. So I'll be replacing it. Once I replace the motor, I'll have air circulation, which also goes down to the fridge and also circulates air in the freezer to keep everything nice and cool. Now I'm going to shut the thermostat back off. And I'm going to be switching out my fan. All you got to do is push this down, plastic tab. This side goes down, this side goes up. Now you can release the motor, but the propeller is going to be on the way. That's all you got to do. You pull it, the propeller slips out. You can leave it there because putting it back in, you got to do the same thing. You got to put the fan in first, then you slip the propeller through the motor shaft. right through here. You just slip it back in place. That's basically it. Once I put that new motor back in, everything will be flowing back to normal again. I'll get the this refrigerator will reach its cooling level as needed, and everything will be back to normal. All right, your boy Handy Gus, over and out.